Hi, my name is Lily. Let me share the latest SecureTransport features and improvements with you. This month, we updated several third-party components that were reported in the National Vulnerability Database, including Maverick, Jetty, BC FIPS, and SecureTransport's embedded database, MariaDB. Refer to our third-party software and licenses document for the complete list. With this update, we are introducing a significant performance improvement in client-initiated file upload scenarios where file archiving is enabled. This optimization is particularly noticeable in environments where the SDFS ##onUpload server configuration option is disabled, which is the default value. Thank you for watching! Apply this update using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.